Hi and welcome everyone. In this short video, I will show you how easy it is to insert a chart that you previously created using Google Spreadsheets. To insert such a chart, just click Insert on top, go to Chart, and then select from Spreadsheets. This will open a search bar that allows you to search through your files on Google Drive. I'm looking for a spreadsheet containing sales data. When I found the correct file, I simply click it, and this will show all the charts that were used in this or that were made in this spreadsheet. I select the right chart that I want to import. It's important to make sure that this box is ticked if you want to make sure that updates to the original graph are being shown in the graph that you insert. Then click Import. And then you'll see that your previously created chart was inserted. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you for our next one.